Good evening, all. The heroes of the evening, the awardees, my CK family members, the friends and well-wishers of the CK family, members of the press, our dear father Peter from Pondicherry. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for the first edition of the Dr. Hemalata Heroes Awards program what we have conducting today. வையத்து வாழ்வாங்கு வாழ்வர் வானுரையர் தெய்வத்தில் வைக்கப்படும். One who is living a legendary life, after their death they will be considered as God. Our mom fits very well to that kural. She lived the great life, a complete life, a legendary life, and it calls for a remembrance, gratitude and a celebration. That's one of the reasons for why we have all assembled here. Thank you so much for that. The great use of life is to do something that outlives your life. Our father Chinni Krishnan is a perfect example of that. Today he is hanging all around the country as sachet. He pioneered the sachet revolution. And from one shop to another he is hanging. That way he is living his life and he will continue to live his life. India today identified one of the 50 revolutions which changed India since independence. Sachet revolution, and the founder R. Chinni Krishnan was recognized for that. And it's a very, very significant moment. He is a great dreamer, innovator par excellence, but unfortunately he died early. My mom took the mantle of fulfilling the dreams, bringing up his sons and daughters, and building a name for the CK family. And in the process, her life became legendary. While she may not have intended, it is the purpose what she pursued which made her life legendary. So we thought that here is a person who has given so much, given us all so much, not only to the family members, she lived so many roles. So we thought we should do something, and 8 months since she has left this world, we thought we should do something. Every year my brother C.K. Ranganathan used to celebrate her birthday in style for the last 20 years. And it's a family get together for us. It's a kind of a family, friends and extended family. A lot of people come together and we celebrate her birthday. It used to be a lot of fun. It used to be a good occasion. And I was just thinking a couple of months back, and what are we going to do this month? This year, her birthday is around. What are we going to do? Is the thought which came, and I thought that we should do something. We should do something which is making her more legendary and which is very different, which makes the whole family come together, look forward to year on year, and how are we going to build on from that. That was the thought I was carrying in my mind. My mother always wanted to be an united India. United India is possible by united Indians. United Indians is possible by united family. She always wanted the family to be united. That's one of her big priority. She always used to say, whether it is any festival, whether it's a Diwali or a Pongal or it is my father's remembrance day or her own birthday, she said she wants to ensure that every one of the family members and friends are around, and that's very important for her. So we thought that we should do something which ensures the entire family comes together, the friends come together, all the people come together and celebrate her birthday year on year, and that's the idea we thought of bringing the Women Achievers Award function. Then we decided on Women Achievers Award function. The next question comes to us is, what do we name the function as? We first thought, me, Veena and Sumati, we were all having a chat, and we thought we should have it as Extraordinary Women Achievers Award, or the Women Enterprising Women Achievers Award, or even the Women Achievers Award. So many things we were looking at, but nothing comes as a real force, and that's when we came across this word Sheroes, which very aptly sums up what she represented. She is a women hero. Women hero is a Shero. So that's how we came across this word, and we were very thrilled when we got the word on hand, and I thought it's a brilliant way to it's a very nice way to put it across, and very one word which we really like. So we thought she's a women hero. And today we live in a society where we partition. We say that there are some work which are for men, there are some work which are for women. Women are supposed to take care of the cooking. They are supposed to take care of the. They are supposed to keep the house in order. They are supposed to ensure that the holidays are planned and things like that. And men are supposed to do the earning work, and men are supposed to do the taxes. They are supposed to buy cars. That's how the women and the men, the society has conditioned to believe like that. But there are few people who defied this and proved to us time and again, this is only a mental conditioning. There is no, externally there is no such thing as partition. And these are the real heroes and sheroes who crossed that line, played the role of not, they don't work for any limitations. And mom very really lived up to that, and she crossed the line. She played the role of the father and mother, and that's when we said that Sheroes, Dr. Hemalata Sheroes Award is a perfect name and a perfect fit for that, and we started moving from then on. The next question which came into our mind is, where do I find the awardees? That's the next challenge, and in a way we have been running short of time. It's been very important, but what we did was we quickly outlined the categories which my mom represented. And she represented education, she represented entrepreneurship, she represented social service, she represented bringing up a child, she represented fine arts, and she represented agriculture. These are some of the areas of activities she did. So we thought that we should now select the people. We don't have much time. Putting an ad, it's a very long process. We did not have much time, so we thought we should make a cut, get these awardees in place, and we internally iterated and identified the people who will lend credibility to the award. It is not the awardees. I am very thankful to you for accepting it, because you are giving credibility to the award. It is not the other way around. So thank you so much for that. We have been so fortunate. We have got a lovely bunch of people who are going to receive the award from then on. They are the heroes of the society, which the people should look for and try to emulate, rather than looking for Lady Gagas and the Madonnas and the Paris Hiltons of the world. So I would feel these are the real heroes. It gives us immense pleasure to applaud, to recognize, and thankful to you. Thank you so much for that. What do we do going forward from here? This is the first year edition of this award, and what do we do moving forward from here? We thought that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and this is the first single step we are doing. Few years we will be able to run. My brothers and sisters, we will all run together for some time. But my dream and my goal is the next generation of the CK family should take it over and make this award the most coveted award for the women achievers in the country. If that they can do it, I think they are doing immense gratitude they pay to Dr. Hemalata. Our parents live through us, and we will live through our children. And if that's happening, I think we have done a great job. The glory of the book is not in the number of pages we have read, it is in the number of pages we are going to read. The glory of the life is not in the number of days we have lived, it is in the number of days we are going to live from now on. The glory of the mother is not in the number of days, years she has lived, it is in the number of days and the years she is going to live and inspire us and guide us from now on to make this event very special.